Do this to skyrocket productivity. Do you ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day? You're not alone. Today, we're sharing 5 powerful productivity hacks to help you get more done. First up, the Pomodoro technique. Break your work into 25-minute intervals, called Pomodoros, followed by a short break. This method keeps you focused and prevents burnout. Next, prioritize your tasks. Start with the most important and urgent ones. By tackling high-priority items first, you'll make significant progress early in the day. Declutter your workspace. A clean and organized environment can drastically boost your efficiency. Remove distractions and keep only the essentials within reach. Use technology to your advantage. Productivity apps like Trello or Asana can help you manage tasks and deadlines. Find the tools that best suit your workflow. Batch similar tasks together. Grouping tasks like emails, calls, and meetings can save time and mental energy. This way, you stay in the same mindset for longer. Take regular breaks. Short breaks can significantly improve your concentration and creativity. Step away from your desk, stretch, or take a quick walk to recharge. Set clear goals. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable steps. Having a clear roadmap makes it easier to stay on track and measure progress. Practice saying no. Protect your time by setting boundaries. Politely decline tasks or meetings that don't align with your priorities or goals. Simplify decision-making. Limit the number of choices you face daily. Streamline your wardrobe or meal planning to save mental energy for more critical decisions. Leverage the power of delegation. Entrust tasks to others when possible. This frees up your time to focus on high-impact activities. Stay hydrated and exercise regularly. Good physical health supports mental clarity and energy levels. Make sure to drink water and incorporate movement into your daily routine. Finally, reflect and adjust. At the end of each day, review your accomplishments and identify areas for improvement. Continuous tweaking will help you find your optimal productivity rhythm.